The CyberShot RX100 Mark V is the fifth iteration of Sony's line of high-end, pocketable compact cameras. The series has long been popular with enthusiasts and professionals who want the best image quality that they can fit into a pocket. The RX100 Mark V improves on an already class-leading feature set. It takes the excellent 20-megapixel 1-inch sensor and 24 to 70mm f1.8 to 2.8 lens from the Mark IV, but adds a new processor for greatly increased burst shooting speed, up to 24 frames per second, in both JPEG and RAW modes. There's also a new 315-point phase detection autofocus system, which will allow you to continuously track moving subjects even while shooting at the top burst speed of 24 frames per second. Finally, the improved processing lets the RX100 Mark V shoot 4K video that's oversampled from 5.5K footage and shows more detail and less rolling shutter, or jello effect, than ever before. One of our favourite features is the clever pop-up electronic viewfinder, allowing you to more easily frame your images in bright daylight. As a high-powered point-and-shoot camera with incredible capabilities, the RX100 Mark V is a peerless choice for keen enthusiasts and professional users looking for a pocketable, carry-everywhere solution. For more information about the Sony CyberShot RX100 Mark V and all things photographic, head to dpreview.com.